Hey guys, welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today we're going to be opening up this Spider-Man triple battle truck. There's 3 vehicles in one. There's the battle truck, fighter jet, and attack boat. It also includes a Spider-Man figure. Here's the back of the box. It shows you all the different vehicles. Here's all the cool stuff that comes in this set. Comes with a Spider-Man. This is an awesome looking Spider-Man. It also comes with this web blaster gun. And 4 tires. And it also comes with these stickers. And this boat. Now we just have to assemble the battle truck and all the rest of the vehicles. Let's get started. First, let's attach the labels. And when you press this button, it makes noises.
Woohoo! This spider's ready to roll! Yeehaw! This spider's ready to hit the road! Let's round up some bad guys! You're all washed up, Venom!
And here it is in boat mode. And to turn him into fighter jet, all you have to do is press this button. And here it is in battle truck mode.
Let's round up some bad guys! Let's round up some bad guys! Woohoo! This spider's ready to roll!
Instead of throwing pumpkins, I'm gonna throw these huge boulders. Ha ha ha. Huh? I can't let you do that, Green Goblin. Here, Spider-Man, catch. So long, Spider-Man. Ugh, gotta find a way to get Green Goblin. I have an idea. Spidey boat. Let's fly. Well, hi, Spider-Man. Back for more? No, but I came to give you something. Ow! Alright, looks like my job here is done. I will get you for this, Spider-Man. Thanks for watching Just for Fun 290. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. It's free. Also, if you like this video, be sure to click the like button. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!